I've been working with Goodera since the beginning of the year, I believe, and have had a lot of great experiences.
So this would probably be my first volunteering experience, and so I'm actually excited to learn more and to continue doing this.
Yeah, Ignite is great. I love anything that kind of touches the field that I'm in.
I think it was absolutely fantastic. Ignite Worldwide is a great program.
I mean, it's definitely a topic I'm passionate about, so I was happy to do it.
I really do feel passionate about one, STEM, but also two, empowering women to focus and pursue STEM careers, and I think that's really awesome that this program exists.
I really love to facilitate young girls' interest in STEM. I think it's really important. I did some research in school on how important it is to have diversity in the workplace, and I would really love to see more women.
The whole process from beginning to end is seamless. You go on there, you get to see pictures, some information about the event, easy click, and then it adds to your calendar as well, which is really helpful for me so other people know that I'm busy.
Goodera was super helpful. I really liked the training video. It made me feel prepared. I wasn't really sure what to expect.
Didn't have to go searching for any links or anything like that. The link that was provided to me had exactly what I needed to sign up, and it also gave me the option to explore other opportunities.
This definitely encouraged me to volunteer for some more events. It was exciting and fun, and I would definitely be interested in doing it again.
I am very likely to do other experiences through Goodera.
It was great. I've done a lot of STEM events with other companies, but never with young girls, never with minors. So it's nice because I think it's more impactful.